What's up, YouTube? Dan here with Dan's Internet Income, and I am back with a new video, new website, and new information for you guys to make money from home just like me. This week, we are focusing on InboxDollars. Last week, I showed you a video on an app that right now is currently my favorite. The difference with InboxDollars is I've been using InboxDollars almost since I started working from home online, and InboxDollars has been the most reliable website to frequently pay me money. If I just go to my account alone, you can see that I'm a gold member. You won't start out a gold member, but the more you cash out, you will become a gold member. It's not even hard to do. You can even see earnings on here, and every time you get $30, you can cash out immediately. Let me show you some of the different ways to make money on here. Okay, my current favorite, or not my current, but my all-time favorite is the paid emails, just because they're the easiest to do on here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. Okay. All right, so as you can see, I have a list of emails on here. I'm not going to go through and do them right now because it'd take too long. But literally, all you got to do is click confirm this paid email. Simply wait for that to load. And that's it. Then you're done with that one. And so that right there just added more money to the account. I think the emails are only like 2 or 3 cents, but you get tons of them daily. So all you got to do is just sit there and click the emails. See, it just went up. All you got to do is click the emails, and it'll build your account up immediately. On top of that, there is surveys. Again, neither of these cost money. The surveys, as you can see, I have some on my main page because I do those a lot. Some are just 6 minutes. You complete the survey, you get $1. 16 minutes, this one's a little lower, 25 cents. But the more you do them, the more you'll start getting higher paying surveys. Makes it very easy to build your account up as well. Just those 2 things alone, the surveys and the emails, you can immediately get up to $30, $40, $50 and higher and cash out. And you can cash straight to your bank account, however you want to do it. Also, every time you go to do surveys and things like that, whether you do them or not, you get things called sweeps. I think sweeps are really cool. InboxDollars has contests that they post all the time. And all you got to use is these free sweeps that you get to enter. Like, for example, I think I have 28 right now. So I'll go on here and I'll enter the $25 cash one. Do I want to use 20 sweeps? Yes. And there you go. One entry purchased. I'll find out in 9 hours if I won $25 simply by just doing that. So as you can see, I've been using this site for a while, but anyone can go on here. I mean, it is one of the easiest. Like, look right here. If you go to videos, you can simply hop on here and they'll actually pay you just to watch videos on here. Short videos, nothing long. They have their own TV. And of course, they have games if you want to do. You get cash back for playing them. And there's offers. They have free offers. And then they also have other offers. Like if you spend money online shopping and stuff like that, you can do it through here and get cash back for it. But again, just doing it as simple as just logging on every day and checking the emails, you will immediately build your account up. And then I would just take time, maybe 30 minutes, to go through and do a few surveys. And you can easily, every single month, be cashing out money just by using this website, InboxDollars. So in the description below, I'm going to do you guys a favor. I'm going to post a link that's going to give you guys $5 just for signing up for this website. That's right. Just for signing up for this website, it's going to give you guys $5 by clicking the link below. If you have any questions, make sure you comment them. But again, use the link in the description. Sign up. It's going to give you guys $5 for free. And then you can just hit the ground running, you know, do the emails, do the surveys, do everything. So as always, thank you for watching my videos. This is InboxDollars, and this is Dan with Dan's Internet Income. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching my videos.